Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hi sir, my name is Maprel Ico, 33 years old, married. I have two children, aged 10 and 11 years old, and I am a high school graduate.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to spend money and my family needs for my future children.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
No sir, but I have an experience here in the Philippines for 6 years and as a domestic helper.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
My responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, ironing, marketing, and also take care of their pets.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
Yes, sir. I take care of their baby and 3 years old boy.
Can you tell us how can you take care of them?
I take care of them by bathing, changing their clothes, feeding, and sometimes we play with them.
Aside from taking care of them, what is your skills?
I know how to cook in Filipino food, and I'm willing to learn cooking for. I'm willing to learn how to cook in Chinese food.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
I'm necessary for domestic helper is I'm loyal, honest, and hard worker.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
Mom, please nice me and good to me. And hi, mom. Please select my application to your as your domestic helper, and and I'm I am a hard worker, loyal, honest, and loving children. And thank you, mom, and I hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.